Always use existing templates when you're creating your AutoCAD electrical drawings. Now you'll find with AutoCAD Electrical 2015, you are given a whole pile of AutoCAD electrical templates to use. So you'll notice at the moment I'm in Demo 05 project, I'm in the schematic subfolder, and I've got drawing Demo 03 open. Now what I want to do is I want to create an entirely new drawing and add it to the project. Now the lovely thing is, the way the project database works is I can add a drawing to a project very, very easily. I'll show you that in a moment. What I want to show you is the existing templates. Now I do not have the startup variable switched on, so I will just get the templates folder come up when I click on new up here on the quick access toolbar. So I can select an existing template. Always try and use existing ones. It's much, much easier. So you can see here I've got all these ACE, ANSI American templates there. And as I come down, I've got DIN, which are European templates, GB, as you can see, and I've got a whole load of templates I can use. IEC, the European Electrical Standard, JIC, the American Imperial Electrical Standard as well. What I'm going to do is just use the basic AutoCAD electrical DWT. Now the IEC is the metric one. The one without the IEC is the imperial one. So I'm going to select that there and click on open. Now you'll notice as soon as I do that, I get a blank new drawing. The grid is switched on. I'm just going to switch those off down here on the status bar. Grid and snap are off. Double click on the wheel to zoom extents like so. It centralizes it nicely. Now at the moment, if you look at the top of the screen, that's just a default drawing4.dwg. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a save as on that. And what I can do here is very, very easy. I can go here and add save as to the quick access toolbar. That's something I would suggest that you do anyway, right at the beginning when you start using AutoCAD Electrical. So I'm going to do a save as, and you can see that I'm already in the Demo 05 project folder. This is why we have AutoCAD Electrical projects, because all of these projects and the project data look into this folder. Now, the last drawing I created was Demo 10 for the connectors. So I'm going to go in here and make sure that this is Demo 11. Click on Save, and that is saved now to the project folder. I'll just go and click on Save again up here, just so that all we see is Demo 11. Much, much easier to recognize than that big long path name. Now, that hasn't been added to the project. It's just a drawing in the project folder. So what I'll do now is I'll go to Demo 05 and click once on it there. Right click. Now this does go off the bottom of the screen, but the bit we need here is add drawings right there. As soon as I do that, again, it's looking in the Demo 05 project folder. There's Demo 11. I'm going to add that to the project, and it'll ask me now, do I want to apply the project default values to all of my drawing settings? Now we will look at this later as we work through the course, but I'm going to say yes. Now that'll update the project, but what it will also do is add that to the project list. So if I look down here now, you'll see that Demo 11 has ended up down there. So I actually need to move that up like so and put it into the list underneath Demo 10. So that is now my current project drawing using an existing template. Always use existing templates. If you've got some existing templates at your place of work, but they're not in AutoCAD Electrical, use one of those. Take all the data out of it, save it as a DWT file, put it in your known template folder, and use that as your existing template. Then all you've got to do, like I've shown you, is add that to your project when you're running your project in the project manager in AutoCAD Electrical.